Hey people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. We're only using one account, alright, day 60, like 4 or 5 something. Anyway, the only reason we're only using one account is because I want to try to emulate what people would make when they first start, what kind of numbers they looking at when they first get into it, and most people are only going to start with one account. So I kind of want to just stay on that type of rhythm on one account. You get multiple accounts. You can get most people, like higher level people when it comes to affiliate marketing, get multiple accounts, but most people are only going to start with one account. So more than likely, if you guys are interested in this system, you probably only get one account. I'm trying to show you guys what kind of results you can get with just one. Anyway, that's all there is to that. Make sure to, if you're interested in following along or keeping up with me or whatever it may be, the links are in the description below for the $25 business and My Lead Gen Secrets. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So first off, I want to talk about the reasons why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. And the first reason is because it's a funnel builder. And it's not only a funnel builder, it's a very solid funnel builder, very easy to use. It's not awkward to use at all. It's very simple, dynamic, and so on and so forth, without any kind of limitations. So you can make as many pages as you want, and many people can look at it as you want. You can connect them into domains or subdomains or whatever it may be. Limitations when it comes to the usual funnel builder out there, you don't have those in this system here. And one more thing is that ClickFunnels, I think it's the most popular funnel builder out right now, and it's $97 per month, something like that, which is insane. And it got all kinds of limitations like what I just mentioned before. Certain amount of people can look at your page, funnels, domains, and all of that, and you gotta pay $300 to completely destroy any of those limitations. $300 per month, and even then there are still limitations here and there. Kind of insane to pay $300 when you can get it for $25. That's all I'm saying. That's the first reason why I like promoting, because it's a really solid product. All right. Now the second reason, and I think the reason most people are interested in promoting the $25 business, is because of its affiliate system, which is insane. 80% recurring commissions and 80% commissions, period. In general, any product from Home Business Academy, 80% commissions, no matter what it is, and no matter how much it costs. So 80% recurring commissions is absolutely insane. And that's why I've been able to make so much money doing so little. You see this? 1796. That's how much I done made in the last 3 months. I think about 3 months now. 1796, 1796, doing this little thing here. That's crazy. All right, that's insanity. Anyway, those are the reasons I like promoting it. So anyway, let's check and see if we got a sale today. Looks like we didn't, but we got to refresh the page to make sure. Okay, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and it's totally okay. Sometimes you don't get sales. You have to roll with the punches here. You can't just up and give up. I'm gonna tell you something about being successful. And the most important thing about being successful is consistency. Consistency. Something might not work, but if you're consistent, it'll eventually work. That's just the way I feel about it. Anyway, let's keep it moving. All right, so first, I want to make sure, before I say something else, make sure people refresh their pages when they show you results, just so you will know that these results are real. You know what I mean? So anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. So we're gonna go over to My Lead Gen Secrets here, and we're gonna look here. Okay, today we're gonna make a new email. I think I'm gonna go with making a new email. So anyway, let's go to the page we're promoting here. Now this is the page we're promoting. We're using this link here, all-in-one $25 business here. It's the link we use. So let's go over here to look at something here. Okay, we'll get a page here, step into an immediately profitable business. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this here. This gonna be the subject 9, and I'm gonna go here and we're gonna change it a little bit, paraphrase it, and see what it looks like. So we're gonna just go with this copy. All right, so we're gonna put that in there like this. Paste. All right, so we're gonna come here and just gonna copy this, copy. All right, that we're gonna put that in here. We're gonna keep my name there, so we're gonna delete everything else. I'm bold this. I'm gonna underline this. So we're gonna go down here. We're gonna find some more information. Now we're gonna copy these three. Right there. And we're gonna delete that. Paste that in there like that. Paraphrase it. All right. So we're gonna copy that. And we're gonna put that in here. Paste it in now. Fold this. Fold this. Fold this whole thing here. All right. Underline that. And just put something like interesting. Hold that. And we open the link here. And we just put the link in there. So we go back here, we get our link, $25 business here. Copy that. Boom. You see how easy it is to make an email off the fly, guys? That didn't take no time at all, right? You see how easy that was? It's really, really easy, man. I just wanted to make sure I clarify that. I wanna make this bold. Make this bold. All right, so let's look at the preview here. It looks pretty interesting, right? That's all there is to it. Very simple email. Don't make it too long. Keep it around this length. And pretty good, right? So anyway, we're going to Perfect Time. We'll make sure we click on Perfect Time. Perfect Time does send an email around the time people check the email, so it end up on top of the list and a better chance for them to click it. And we send it. We're done, guys. I forgot to, you know what I should have did? I should have made sure the link works. Always make sure the link works. The link, thankfully the link works before I sent it. So we fine. But I always make sure the link works. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. I just showed y'all real quick how to make an email even. And it's very simple to do. And that's all there is to it, guys. All the links in the description. You're interested in following, make sure if you have any questions, leave some comments about it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.